everyone. I'm Los Angeles City Council Member John Lee, and I am honored to have wrapped up another year as the representative here in the 12th Council District. You know, as I enter the second year of my first term as your council member, I think back on all that has happened in the last year and reflect on the true resilience and strength that we've all shown as a community. And while there were, many challenges that we faced, there's also been plenty of moments of happiness, unity, and tenacity, that we've seen throughout our community, even in our own neighborhoods. As council member, my team and I have worked tirelessly to ensure that we continue to deliver the highest level of service to our district and look for innovative ways to support the community in these truly unprecedented times. As you know, I will always fight for the 12th District's fair share of resources. And in the spring, I was proud to reopen the West Valley Animal Shelter and welcome back shelter staff and animals after a year-long closure that was brought on by a reduction in resources due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Throughout the closure, I fought alongside so many of you in the community for the reopening of this facility as a full city-operated animal shelter instead of a nonprofit operated or hybrid model. And a result of our work, this valuable community asset is open today and available to serve all North Valley residents. Also in 2021, we made progress on finding solutions to the biggest issue facing our city and the biggest humanitarian crisis of our time, which is homelessness. With a generous donation from the family of the great Alex Trebek and the partnership of Hope of the Valley Rescue Mission, we broke ground on a major, first-of-its-kind interim housing project here in the 12th District. This facility will provide more than just housing, offering job training and addiction treatment. Throughout the last year, we have shown our gratitude and appreciation to all the incredible people who have helped, keep us going amidst the pandemic. We partnered with small businesses who were part of our business relief program and the Change Reaction. And instead of those businesses who got those loans, instead of paying their loans back to the Change Reaction, they instead had to pay it forward. Working together, we rewarded our community of heroes and those most affected by COVID-19 with free meals through our Lunches for Heroes and our Dinner on Us program. And many in our community, have unfortunately faced barriers in accessing physical and mental health care during these times, a need that has only been amplified by the pandemic. During the rollout of COVID-19 vaccines to the public, when waits were long and appointments were difficult to obtain, my office partnered with community clinics and nonprofit organizations to host pop-up vaccination events, making the vaccine easily, locally, and conveniently available to residents who wanted them. Building upon these efforts, my office also launched an ongoing partnership with Mission City Community Network that will bring mobile mental and physical health care services to underserved residents in the Northwest Valley who have faced truly difficult times in accessing the care that they so desperately need. One of the most exciting projects my office has worked on is a pilot program for an indoor pod farm in conjunction with LADWP and Electric Power Research Institute, and of course, our LAPD Devonshire PALS Youth Center. It's here that we unveiled a 40-foot shipping container that houses an indoor pod farm, showing that we can save water, save energy, and make cities the future of farming. The first crop was just planted, and I look forward to featuring the first harvest in the next few months. All of you know that public safety has always been my top priority. In a year where so many things were turned on their head, we were able to come together as a city to fight back against the rise in hate crimes and incidents against the AAPI community and other communities. In partnership with organizations across this region and nation, we also kicked off the city's LA for All campaign. This ongoing campaign is not just about fighting hate of all kinds. It's about uniting to fight for inclusion, justice, and respect, and to celebrate the rich diversity that makes our great city a place that is more inclusive for all. As we start up a new year, I will continue fighting to make sure our corner of Los Angeles continues to be one of the best places in the city to live. We have accomplished so much together in the last year, and I look forward to the future. I'm certain that the best things are yet to come. But for now, let's take a look back at all the amazing things we accomplished in the last year together. My office, Council District 12, is partnering with Volunteers Cleaning Communities. It's an organization that was born out of my district of just inspiring people to clean up the neighborhoods and their communities around them.
We gather together with John Lee's office and usually Porter Ranch Neighborhood Council, and we clean the park as we can.
Just going around some of our trails, picking up some of the trash, and just keeping Council District 12 as beautiful as it is. Oh, well, this is Dodger, and we are fostering this dog from the West Valley Animal Rescue Center that we just reopened. Happy to be part of that. My community is so amazing. They always seem to come together during tough times, and we had so many animals fostered out and adopted during that time, and it just played such a vital role in people getting through this pandemic. It's important for us to be here today to honor all the men and women who've served this great country of ours and given us all the freedoms that we get to enjoy every single day. And it's an opportunity for us on this day, but it's something we should be doing every day to honor the men and women who have fought so bravely in our armed forces. I'm thrilled to be here today at my alma mater to talk about an important investment into our future, and I'm proud to say that we have awarded over $100,000 in funds in District 12 to residents in need. So many of our students are facing a DACA renewal fee of $495 every 2 years. And it sometimes is a financial barrier for them. You know, some of these kids are studying and working jobs. And so to have an organization like the Change Reaction come in and sponsor anyone who needs one of those DACA fee applications is, could be life-changing for someone. This isn't just about a campaign to stomp out hate against the AAPI community. It's about stomping out hate of any kind towards any group here in the city of Los Angeles, and showing that what makes Los Angeles so great is our diversity. This is my son Jackson, and we're here today at the LAPD Devonshire Pals Youth Center to give our annual toy drive giveaway. A lot of these kids, this might be the only gift that they get all year. When you see the kids' faces, you know how special an event this is. Happy holidays to everyone, and look forward to working with all of you in 2022.